Hello kids, welcome to this new learning session. Ooh la la, who's there? Oh, that's a boy. Let's see what the boy is doing. Wow! Did you enjoy his dance? So kids, have you noticed? The boy clapped his hands. He stomped his feet. He swung his hands. He danced and he sang. He performed so many actions, right? So in our today's video, we are going to learn about action words. Action words, which are also known as verbs. Now, let's see what is a verb. Verb किसे कहते हैं? A verb is the action word in a sentence that describes what the subject is doing. That means sentence में एक ऐसा word जिससे हमें पता चले कि कौन सा काम हो रहा है, उसे verb कहते हैं. Some examples of verbs are
I am reading the book. I am reading the book.
The boy said, I am reading the book. Boy क्या कर रहा है? Yes, you are right. Boy reading कर रहा है. So, reading is the verb in this sentence. Now, let's look at the next example.
I dance very well. I dance very well.
The girl said, I dance very well. So, what is the verb here? Yes, you are right. The verb here is dance. Now, let's look at the next example.
I am playing with the car.
The boy said, I am playing with the car. What the boy is doing? Boy क्या कर रहा है? Yes, the boy is playing. So what is the verb here? Yes, the verb is playing. Now, let's see the last example.
I am ironing my t-shirt. I am ironing my t-shirt.
Now, you tell me, what is the verb in this sentence? Boy क्या कर रहा है? Boy अपनी टी-शर्ट को iron कर रहा है. So the verb in this sentence is ironing. I hope you guys have understood that what are verbs or action words. So here's a small exercise for you all. You have to tell me what action words are shown in these pictures. That means what are the verbs which are shown in these pictures? ये girl इन pictures में कौन-कौन से actions कर रही है? Hope you guys have enjoyed this learning session. If yes, please like this video. And for more such interesting learning sessions, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day.